Have you ever experienced a tingling sensation that starts on your scalp and cascades down your spine? Maybe it was triggered by a whisper, the crinkle of paper, or the gentle tapping on a hard surface. This isn't magic, though it might feel like it. This is ASMR, and it's taking the world by storm. What started as an online curiosity has exploded into a global phenomenon. Millions are tuning in to experience the peculiar pleasure of ASMR videos. But ASMR is more than just a passing trend. It's a window into the complex workings of the human brain. It raises questions about perception, relaxation, and the very nature of pleasure. Why do these seemingly ordinary triggers elicit such extraordinary responses in some, while others remain untouched? What's really going on inside our heads when we experience these tingling sensations? The answers, as we're beginning to discover, are far from simple. They lie at the intersection of psychology, neurology, and our evolving understanding of the human experience. Join us as we venture into the fascinating world of ASMR. Have you ever experienced a tingling sensation that starts on your scalp and cascades down your spine? Maybe it was triggered by a whisper, the crinkle of paper, or the gentle tapping on a hard surface. This isn't magic, though it might feel like it. This is ASMR, and it's taking the world by storm. What started as an online curiosity has exploded into a global phenomenon. Millions are tuning in to experience the peculiar pleasure of ASMR videos. But ASMR is more than just a passing trend. It's a window into the complex workings of the human brain. It raises questions about perception, relaxation, and the very nature of pleasure. Why do these seemingly ordinary triggers elicit such extraordinary responses in some, while others remain untouched? What's really going on inside our heads when we experience these tingling sensations? The answers, as we're beginning to discover, are far from simple. They lie at the intersection of psychology, neurology, and our evolving understanding of the human experience. Join us as we venture into the fascinating world of ASMR. Initially dismissed as an internet fad, ASMR is now demanding the attention of the scientific community. The sheer volume of anecdotal evidence, coupled with the potential therapeutic benefits, has made it impossible to ignore. Researchers are beginning to unravel the mysteries of this sensory phenomenon. They're using brain imaging, physiological measurements, and psychological analysis to understand what makes ASMR tick. The questions they're asking are as intriguing as the phenomenon itself. What distinguishes those who experience ASMR from those who don't? Can ASMR be objectively measured, or is it purely subjective? And perhaps most importantly, can ASMR be harnessed for therapeutic purposes? These questions are driving a wave of new research, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the brain and its response to sensory stimuli. What we're discovering has the potential to revolutionize how we approach stress, anxiety, and even chronic pain. The journey into the world of ASMR is just beginning, and the discoveries promise to be groundbreaking. One of the most captivating aspects of ASMR is the sheer diversity of its triggers. A soft whisper, the crinkle of a candy wrapper, the methodical tapping of fingernails on a desk. These seemingly mundane sounds can send shivers down the spines of those susceptible to ASMR. What makes these triggers so potent? Why do they elicit such a unique response, while other sounds are simply ignored or even deemed annoying? The answer likely lies in the specific qualities of these sounds and visuals. They tend to be gentle, repetitive, and often evoke a sense of personal attention or care. Think of the gentle voice of a loved one reading you a story, or the meticulous care of a hairdresser brushing your hair. These triggers seem to tap into a primal sense of comfort and security, triggering a cascade of physiological and psychological responses. Understanding these triggers is key to unlocking the secrets of ASMR. By studying the specific qualities that make these sounds and visuals so effective, researchers hope to gain a deeper understanding of the underlying mechanisms at play. This knowledge could pave the way for personalized ASMR experiences, tailored to individual preferences and needs. What's happening inside our brains when we experience ASMR? Neuroimaging studies are beginning to provide a glimpse into this intricate world. Using techniques like fMRI, researchers can observe the brain's activity in real time as individuals are exposed to ASMR triggers. The results are painting a fascinating picture. Areas of the brain associated with reward, emotional regulation, and sensory processing appear to light up during ASMR experiences. This suggests that ASMR is more than just a simple tingling sensation. It's a complex neurological response involving multiple brain regions working in concert. The specific patterns of brain activity observed during ASMR are similar to those seen during social bonding and relaxation. This finding provides further support for the theory that ASMR may tap into ancient neural pathways associated with feelings of safety, comfort, and social connection. This intricate dance of neurons and neurotransmitters is what gives rise to the unique and often deeply personal experience of ASMR. The world of ASMR is a testament to the incredible complexity and nuance of human perception. It highlights the profound interconnectedness of our senses and the powerful ways in which they shape our emotional landscape. It's a reminder that our brains are constantly bombarded with sensory information, and that even the subtlest of stimuli can evoke profound responses. ASMR challenges us to reconsider our understanding of pleasure, relaxation, and the very nature of the human experience. It compels us to look beyond the obvious and appreciate the subtle ways in which our senses shape our reality. As we delve deeper into the science of ASMR, we're likely to uncover even more surprises about the hidden depths of human perception. The journey promises to be as fascinating as the phenomenon itself, leading us to a richer understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Stay with us as we continue to explore the whispers of science and unravel the mysteries of ASMR.